what we have in here is actually some water plants. We have some water lilies, and that's called water lettuce, actually. What happens is the fish actually nibble on the root system of the water lettuce, and they can hide underneath there and keep out of their way from the sun. And you want to keep out of the way from those big birds that fly over, man. Those cranes, they come down and eat all the fish. That's why we make the pond at least 4 feet deep, so the fish can go way under and hide under the rocks and all that. To me, this is the view. I'm chilling out in the Adirondack chair, just chilling. This is the backyard. This is the backyard. This one needs a little more maintenance than the other one, though, I'll be honest with you. This is a much larger backyard, and it definitely needs a little more maintenance than your average backyard. But this client actually enjoys it. It's good therapy, he said. Being a corporate executive, he loves being outside working in the garden and feeding his fish.